Are you exhausted of everyone trying to take advantage of you? Because if you're really efficient at your job, you're going to be rewarded not with more money, but with more work. If you're always available in your community or family, you will always be their walking ATM. And no, they're not going to pay you back. And even in dating, if you're always the nice guy, you'll always be the doormat, never the prince. We've been conditioned, especially men, to be valuable in society, that our value is what we can bring to the table. But let's say when you have actually put in the hard work and proven your value, you only realize that the people don't really appreciate you, but they just demand even more. And it's just never enough. Let's call it for what it is. Being valuable in today's society sets you up for exploitation. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how most of us are getting exploited in our day-to-day lives, especially in our work, and my 4-step process on how I build a system to get out of this, so you can do it too. All right, so let's address something. We all want to contribute to society and to our work and be compensated fairly for our efforts, right? We all want to work for that promotion, to be the specialist in our industry. We want to get that fancy title, the fat paycheck. Isn't that what we all conditioned to want? But unfortunately, if you have a job, you work in somebody else's system. When I used to work in corporate, I thought I had to go above and beyond to impress my bosses and my colleagues by giving them all these new ideas in the team meeting. But all I got instead was more work, no recognition, and definitely not more pay. But for some of you who actually got recognition from your efforts and got a promotion, you quickly realize that the bump in pay is measly. Like, it can't afford you that new car that you wanted, or that new house that you wanted, or that vacation that you always dreamed of. They just give you a little bit of money just to shut you up, but they never really want to pay you the actual amount of money that you think you're worth. And to make it worse, as you've been promoted, you started as this specialist, right? Specialist is usually something kind of technical, like you have to have a specific skill in something. But the more you move up the corporate ladder, the less technical stuff you have to do in your day-to-day job, and more babysitting that you have to manage these adult children. And you realize that this promotion is actually taking you away from your goal of being happy and where you want to be. But this example is assuming that you actually got the promotion. But for the rest 90% of us out there, we're grinding in and out of our work every single day, putting in the extra effort, thinking that we're going to get the job. But lo and behold, who here have seen it firsthand, that the person who actually got the job was somebody who was not the best performer, but it could be the hot new intern that your boss really likes, or it could be that one annoying person in your office that barely does any work but is really good at kissing everybody's ass. And that's when you start to realize that this whole corporate game is rigged and it's never fair. You will not be promoted because you're hardworking. You're actually being punished for being hardworking. So I saw this coming a long time ago, and I just got off a call with a potential client who's late 50, who just started to realize, like, hey, is this it in corporate? I really don't want to do this. I want to do something else. So she got on a call with me. I'm really inspired by your story. I want to do something kind of like you, but in my own thing. So this is what I told her of how we can bypass all these bullshit rules of society and build a system where you're actually happy and you get paid for what you're worth and just for being yourself. Isn't that what we all want? And you can't get that by working in corporate. Okay, so here's what I told her. It's 4 steps of how I got to where I am today and how I help others do the same thing. We're gonna do this with video content, but video is the last thing you gotta do. It's step number 4. If you go to any other video coach, they're gonna tell, oh, we gotta start making these videos like right away, but the video is there to help your purpose and to help promote your offer. So you need to define that first before you start making the video, or else you're making random videos and it's not going to lead anywhere, right? So the first thing we got to do, step number 1, is getting clear on your self-clarity. This is when you know what are you qualified to help other people, who can you help, and why should they listen to you out of all the other people they see online. So that's step number 1. Okay, now you know who you're going to help. Step number 2 is how you're going to help them. How can you get paid for helping these people? And that's where we define your offer. We're going to define exactly what it is, what is the mechanism, how does it work, how much does it cost, and we're going to put it on a very simple landing page so it's very clear what you do and what you offer to the world. Step number 3, we're going to build a very simple funnel. So you're going to do something to get attention online, and once you get the attention, you want them to do something. That is to get into your email list, get into your community, whatever. Get into some sort of community that you own and you control, right? Lastly, step number 4 before, once you get all that up and running, you're gonna create storytelling videos just like this one. These are the type of videos that are very easy to do. It showcases your expertise. It makes you look like an authority. It makes you look very relatable because people connect with your stories. And if they watch a couple of your YouTube videos, within a couple of minutes, they already made up their mind. Hey, I like this person. I want to work with him. Let me go check out what this person is all about. And that's when they go check out your landing page, and they would self-analyze if they are or are not suitable for your thing. So if you are currently in a job working for somebody else, there's nothing wrong with that, but chances are 99% of you are not happy. The more you do, you're not getting paid for what you're worth. So the thing that I just explained is a system to bypass all that and build your own system so you get paid to be yourself. And if you want to see more details of how I do this step by step, download the free masterclass down below. My name is Helmi. See you in the next video.